Hi lovelies, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to achieve this simple hairstyle for your kid using the detachable ponytail. So as you can see in this video, the hairstyle is actually two ponytails. So I started out by sectioning her hair into two. Guess what guys, this is actually Nene's first time of sitting down by herself to make her hair. Yes, and I'm super proud of her. This hairstyle is quite easy, you don't even need much explanation. So just watch closely, okay? It's not difficult to achieve, you can do this. So I'll be using Eco Styling Gel to mold her hair. Feel free to use any styling gel of your choice. If you have not watched the video on how we achieved the detachable ponytail I'll be using in this video, I'll be leaving the link of that video in the description box, okay? Do well to check it out. See there, this detachable ponytail is a must-have and it can save a lot of time and cash. And the best part is, it's very easy to achieve. Yes, you can get already made twisted crochet hair in the market. Yes, just attach the bead and do it, or you can do it from scratch like I did using your braid extension. In the hairstyle she wore in that video, I simply sectioned her hair into 7, then I attached the ponytail and her hair packer. This is one of the best protective hairstyle you can do for your kid this dry season. You know the weather is too harsh. All you have to do, moisturize your baby's hair very well, attach section and attach your ponytail. You're good to go. As I said earlier, this is my baby's first time of sitting by herself to make her hair. So do it to give her a thumbs up, okay? I'll be showing that to her. I want to encourage her so she will be able to sit and make more lovely hairstyles for you guys. Leave a sweet comment for her in the comment section. Tell us what you think about her hair. Tell us if you'll be trying it out, okay? So I would love to thank all my lovely subscribers. Yes, my G's. I'd love to thank each and every one of you for your constant support. Thank you for always coming back. Yeah, thank you for the likes. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. Thank you for everything. I'm really grateful. And if you've been watching or you're just coming across my channel for the first time, you've not subscribed, please kindly do so, okay? Don't forget to tell me what you think about this hairstyle in the comment section, okay? And tell me if you're going to be trying it out for your kid. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you on my next video. Ciao.